Doctora the Explorer visits Miracle Garden with daughters and Dr. Dick. Guys! Howdy!
Wow!
Guys, we arrived here very early. Opening pa lang around 9 to 9:30 in the morning. Nandito na kami. Ayan, picture. Around 10 to 11 in the morning, dumami ng tao. So ayan, nag-snack muna kami pa-relax. The garden has more than 30 food stalls, cafes, and restaurant to refresh you during your visit. Okay, so ayan, picture ulit ako. Ang ganda dito sa may lake at itong windmill, 'di ba? So relaxing. Yan, merong mga beverages, gelato, kaya hindi kayo mauuhaw pag nandito kayo sa loob. Madami din kayong pwedeng iuwing souvenirs from photography and also paintings and a lot more of items representing Miracle Garden and Dubai. So ayan guys, you see, ang dami ditong site for picture. Wear something lightweight so you won't sweat because Dubai's average temperature can peak at 25 degrees centigrade even in winter. And wear your most comfortable sneakers or shoes since you will be walking a lot around the park. Ayan guys, ito yung may entrance and exit area. Napakaganda, diba? Malapit din dito ang mga rest. There are no strict dress code requirement but modest attire is recommended. Also, protect your face with sunscreen because most of the time, we will be exposed to the sun during daytime visits. So, ayan guys, ikot-ikot tayo dito. Makikita nyo, ang dami talagang magandang site dito for picture taking. Use of professional cameras and drones is not allowed inside the garden. For professional shoots, for events, prior permission must be secured from the management office. And it takes around 3 to 4 hours to explore the entire property. And this garden transforms after sunset. It turns into a magical wonderland which is much more beautiful than the garden's view during the day. So guys, sa gabi maganda dito. So guys, you see, this is the floral clock. Makikita nyo ang time natin is around 11 o'clock in the morning. So medyo mainit kami ngayon dito habang nagpipicture. Kaya talaga, sunscreen is a must to protect your face. Mainit guys, pero picture pa rin. This amazing garden is not open year-round. If you really wish to visit the garden, plan your trip between November and March to see the flowers in full bloom. Miracle Garden is home to more than 120 varieties of flowers. It features over 50 million flowers and 250 million plants. This is the world's largest garden with an area of 72,000 square meters of breathtaking floral extravaganza and sculptures, with over 150 million flowers arranged amazingly in patterns and shapes, like the heart-shaped archways that has different colors of flower petals. This is my favorite here in Miracle Garden. Guys, the garden is open from October to May, from Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. during weekdays, and from 9 a.m. to 11 p.m. on the weekends. The park has earned many awards over the years, and they have 3 Guinness Book World Record. One is this largest flower arrangement structure forming the shape of the Airbus 380. They got this award in 2016. This is a life-size version of the double-decker super jumbo jet of the Emirates. This is listed by the Guinness World Record as the biggest flower structure in the world. Visit to Miracle Garden is great for families and kids, guys. So pag pumunta kayo dito sa Dubai, don't miss this Miracle Garden experience. This was launched on Valentine's Day, February 14, 2013. And this is a marvel of modern landscaping. This Miracle Garden is located in Dubai Land, Dubai, United Arab Emirates, and this is operated by Cityland Real Estate Development. And this project was estimated at around 40 million dirhams or 11 million US dollar. And you can access this garden by private cars, and there is a very wide parking lot available. You can also reach the location by bus and metro train from the Mall of Emirates. And then, to avoid the hassle of crowded metro and long walks, better book a taxi, which are not so expensive compared to private service, which are usually 7-seaters 4x4 vehicle. You are not allowed to bring inside the garden your scooters, bicycles, hoverboards, pets, your foods and beverages, because they have a lot of restaurants and cafes inside for you to buy your refreshments.
Bestseller?
Or pistachio.
What's the best?
One pistachio, vanilla, caramel,
Oh,
bubble gum, Arabic mistake, cherry.
this is also good, right? The Arabic Majestic.
Arabic good.
Yeah, one this and then one pistachio. And then one vanilla.
Yeah.
The garden is closed during summer season, the month from April to October, owing to the heat of summer. High temperature averaging of 40 degrees centigrade, which is not conducive for flower viewing. The best time to visit is from November to March.
It's okay na, it's okay.
Thank you.
One more. Yes.
No, no, it's okay. How much is that, sir?
It's 60.
If you want to visit, better book online to avoid long queues. And the ticket costs around 95 dirhams for adults and 80 dirhams for kids 3-year-old to 12-year-old, and no entrance fee for kids under 3-year-old. Thank you for watching my video. Hasta la vista!